Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing. Back up your user data and note your Chromebook model and Chrome OS version. Once done, boot into Recovery Key Sequence and enable Developer Mode. This is mandatory because Chrome OS locks low-level device access. Make sure to accept the factory reset prompts and wait for the device to transition. When the device reboots into the warning screen, press Ctrl+D or follow the exact on-screen sequence to proceed into developer mode, and then open Crash with Ctrl+Alt+T and type shell to drop into a more capable terminal. Next, remount the root file system read/write with sudo mount o remount rw/ so you can edit system files. Now create or edit a modprobe blacklist file and add the touchscreen driver name, for example hid multitouch, to prevent it from loading on boot. Save the file, run sudo update initramps u if available, and verify the change by checking else-mod output to ensure the driver is no longer loaded. Reboot the Chromebook and immediately test the display to confirm touch input no longer responds. Try taps, swipes, and a stylus to be sure. If touch still works, boot back to shell, inspect dmesc and else-mod to identify the active touchscreen driver, then update the blacklist file with the exact module name and reboot again. If something goes wrong, remove the blacklist lines or perform a power wash to restore defaults. Developer mode steps can be reversed if you need to recover factory behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.